Dear friends, now I am going to explain remedial measures have been taken to improve women entrepreneurs in India. In India, a large number of training and promotional activities are being organized to develop entrepreneurial skill among women. Some of these programs are exclusively for women, while others take women along with the male entrepreneurs. Among them, the following are the important remedial measures have been taken. The first one is creating awareness. Steps should be taken to make women aware of financial and technical assistance available to them under government and non-government schemes. Point number 2, offering concession. To improve women entrepreneurs in India, women entrepreneurs should be offered concessions, subsidies and incentives as supporting elements to promote them take up entrepreneurial activities. When we provide the above concessions, women will came into light. The next point is simple legal formalities. Legal and administrative procedure and formalities should be made more simple and flexible. This induces them to undertake entrepreneurial activities. Application forms, appraisal standards and other procedural formalities for extending finance to women should be simple. The fourth remedial measure is cooperation from agencies. Government and its agencies should be cooperate with women entrepreneurs to make the environment more friendly and courteous. Fifth remedial measure is providing financial assistance to women entrepreneurs. Loan and advances should be made available to women entrepreneurs, though public sector banks and private banks at concessional or lesser rate of interest. Besides this, women entrepreneurs should be advised to form self-help group or cooperatives. The sixth remedial measure is training and development programs. For inexperienced women, special type of training and development programs should be arranged to inculcate in them entrepreneurial knowledge and skills. Besides this, every woman entrepreneur need to have prior knowledge and skill before they undertake the assignment of starting enterprises. The seventh remedial measure is women's cell. Women's cell should be set up at the Directorate of Industries and DICs, that is District Industries Centers, to provide information, counseling or guidance and other credit related information to women entrepreneurs. These women's cells should be preferably handled by women officers or staff. The eighth remedial measure is single window approach. The single window approach would be helpful for promoting women entrepreneurs. A separate cell should be established under the DIC, that is District Industry Centers. The cell should ensure the following assistance: preference of the project report, preference technical no, allotment of site, sheds, etc. at industrial parks, term loan approval, working capital loan sanctions, raw material allocation, training both to women entrepreneurs and staff, obtaining subsidies, marketing assistance. The ninth remedial measures to improve or initiate women entrepreneurs is Women Entrepreneurs Association. Women Entrepreneurs Association can be formed. This would help to form groups, seek help from different institutions and exchange mutual funds. A formal association would also encourage other potential entrepreneurs. The 10th remedial measure of improving women entrepreneur is women cooperatives. Women should be encouraged to work in groups by forming women cooperatives for production as well as marketing of their products. This would help them in getting success in their ventures and improve their confidence. They feel strong economically, socially, and emotionally by managing enterprises in a cordial environment. The above are all the remedial measures have to be taken to improve women entrepreneurs in India. Thank you.